Hey guys, I'm Diane. I'm relaxing in my favorite chair. It's not that comfortable, but I love the chairs. Okay, this video is a long time in coming. I'm finally retired, guys. You know, I've been retired for a few weeks. However, it doesn't feel like it. I've been working my butt off, breaking down the workroom, trying to find a place for hundreds of things, trying to make the best decisions I can for the things. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm going to show you a video of when I got close to the end, and then I will show you my finished art room, which was another big chore. You know, having to set all that up so it would be convenient for me and where I would know where everything is for the first time. So yeah, I don't want you to expect that it's going to be beautiful, because it's not. It's functional. And I have many things on my shelves. They're full. I don't have a place to put anything else. But I know where everything is. And I'm going to start painting on Monday. And I'm so excited. I'm going to paint a mother giraffe and her baby. I can't wait. I'll show you that soon. Anyway, make sure I told you everything. Okay, here we go with the rest of the video. Good morning, guys. Some of you have asked me where my 9-foot table went that Ashley and I built years and years ago. Well, it's been my work table for years. Now, I have two guys coming to get it today, and they're going to have to take the top off of it. And I will try to get a picture of the top of the table before it gets out of here. See, I put slats across the bottom just so I would have a place to put different things. Okay. This is Mark. He is getting my table. I thought y'all might want to see the top. They've asked me about it, so.
It's a big one.
Bye, table. Love you. Hey, guys. I am in the old workroom, my new art room. Do you see all these shelves I built when I first moved in? I just threw those up. I was trying to get in, and I had a carpenter coming to trim them out, put a board across the top, you know, make them look nice and paint them white. But you know what? I can't wait any longer. He is having a little shoulder surgery, which is going to put me off another week at least before he can even begin. So I'm going to leave well enough alone, maybe do this later, but I've got to move in here. You see how simple these shelves are? I'm actually going to show you a picture. When I lived in the bigger house, I made 2 of these shelves, and I'm going to show you what they look trimmed out and painted white. I'll show you that right now. Okay, guys, we're entering my art room. I kept my machine in case I wanted to make something for myself. This is all my art supplies. Got plenty of things to do. This is one of my favorite pieces I've ever done. I'm calling it my little Eleanor, my great-granddaughter. Although I copied it from Pinterest, that's still who I'm calling it. All of my paints are in these drawers. Got all kinds of things. Got shipping boxes for small paintings. Okay. And of course, here is my easel that my daughter and her sons gave me for Christmas over a year ago. It's awesome. It's on rollers. I can move it around. And this chair is a tattoo chair for tattoo artists. It's perfect. Okay, I put the shelf up here, which I had used in different places. Now I can put all of my paint and all these little trays that I'm going to use on a certain painting. And I use paper plates to mix my paint on. And I have this where I put my brushes that I need washing. I have my grandson Kurt here with me. And Bob Ross. Kurt is the reason I paint. And I guess Bob Ross is too, because I used to watch him when I was younger, like everybody else. Okay. This thing I got at Hobby Lobby that I used to keep business cards in, but now it's got all of my paintbrushes. They're right here beside me. I can hunt for the ones I need. They're right here. And this little basket here holds painting tools, which I have a little cabinet in the building that I'm going to bring in here and put all that stuff in so that I could actually find it, because it is packed with stuff that actually come in handy when I'm painting. Now over here, there is my staple gun. I need it to put strings on the back of my paintings. I put Roomba in here so it wouldn't be sitting inside my house. Now this table I have had for a long time. Don't even remember where I got it. I covered it, and I can even stick pins in it. I iron my clothes here, and you ask me, why do I have it if I'm not going to sew anymore? It's because I have agreed to put ribbon on Romans. If we get an order for that, I will put the ribbon on, and I will use this table to do it. This ruler is stationary, screwed down. So that's why the table's there. Okay, of course I have my little pet bed here because they're going to want to be wherever I am, and I'm going to spend a lot of time in here enjoying life instead of working. It's wonderful. Okay, now I'm going to show you these shelves because they are packed. They're packed. If I had gone ahead and had them trimmed out and painted white, I don't even think you could have seen them. So this is going to do me okay. When I'm gone, Ashley can have them trimmed out and painted and put pretty stuff on it for her Airbnb, which is what this will be. Okay, there's another one of my favorite paintings. I drug it out of the building, brought it in here. Now this table here is what I use. It's a computer desk from Amazon, so you can raise the top up. I paint small paintings here, like 8 by 8, that kind of thing. So, and I have another chair that's called a saddle chair, shaped like a saddle. I can't sit in it long. It's not comfortable after a while, but it will raise up if I need to switch it over here to paint a big painting. I'm going to paint a giraffe, a mother giraffe and her baby on this. Starting at Monday. I'm so excited. Okay. These are canvas boards that have never been used. I bet if you counted everything that I've got to paint on, I bet I would have 100. I'm serious. There's still some small ones in the closet that I haven't gotten out yet. Look at these. Look at these. They're 4x4s. I can paint forever. I won't ever run out of paint. Ever. This is where I keep my easels. If I sell a small painting, I send an easel with it. Got plenty of paper plates. This basket holds all kinds of tools. I'm telling you, I've got everything I need in here, and it is not pretty to look at, but I'm ready to roll. Okay, guys. I'll see you soon.